We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print your supply status page, and I'm working with a Brother HL5470DW. So the first thing that you want to do is hit this bottom arrow and it'll say machine info. You're going to hit OK. And then you're going to see print settings. You want to hit OK again. And then it'll automatically print your supply status page, which is going to be on page 2. With this, you can find useful information such as how much toner you have remaining, also how much life you have remaining on your consumable parts, like your drum. See, there you go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.